Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI Total 3 CLIA Chemiluminescence Immunoassay. This kit is used for the quantitative determination of Triiodothyronine T3 in human serum or plasma using chemiluminescence immunoassay on MAGLUMI analyzers. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic. Here we can see the product name MAGLUMI Total T3 CLIA. Here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml AB label, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Here we can see the reference number of this kit 1302530003M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is a C certificate IVD product. The pictorial representation represents one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This kit is manufactured from China. So the origin of this kit, China. Over here we can see the manufacturing details. This is the overall front view of this product. Now we can see the another angles. This is the top view. On this side we can see the Snibe Dynastic. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI Total T3. The reference number 1302530003M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is the overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, after unpacking, the first product is instruction manual. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic, then product name MAGLUMI Total T3 CLIA C certificate IVD product. The reference number of this product 1302530003M, 100 test per kit. We can see the indent use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability. These are the stuff inside this kit. Now we keep this aside. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Dynastic. We keep this aside. And next one is a reagent seal. Total of 3 nozzles. Here we can see total T3. And next one is control stickers. The first 4 is for control 1 and second 4 is control 2. Here we can see clearly total T3 control 1 4 nozzles, total T3 control 2 4 nozzles, total 8 number of stickers. And next one is a control solutions packed in a cover. I am going to unpack for your reference. Yeah, after unpacking we can see clearly there are 2 controls. I am going to take this one. The first one is MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, total T3 control 2. The red color cap is control 2. And the next one is MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, total T3 control 1. The white color cap is control 1. So there are 2 controls. I will keep this aside. The final one is a reagent kit. Here we can see clearly MAGLUMI Total T3 contents 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml AB label. This is a back view. These are the solutions. These are the reagent kit. Now we are going for summary. Yeah, here we go for summary. Today we can see about Snibe Dynastic MAGLUMI Total T3. This kit contains one instruction manual, one QC certificate provided by Snibe Dynastic, a reagent still stickers, a control stickers, a control solutions, control 1 and control 2, then a reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml AV label. Thank you.